How to make 3D cutaway cards using Cricut. Step 1. If you have a design to use, upload it to Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Select the uploaded images you're going to use and click on Add to Canvas. Step 3. Select the cutaway card design and resize it as large or small as you want from the toolbar. Step 4. To create a score line, select the basic cut layer, click on the operation drop-down and select Score. Step 5. Next, click on Text, click on the font drop-down and select a font to use. Step 6. Type in any text you wish to, then resize it. Step 7. With the text selected, click on Advanced drop-down and select Ungroup to Lines. Step 8. Drag the texts apart and place them in the position. Step 9. Zoom in for a clearer view, then change the color of the text by clicking the color swatch button in the operation section. Step 10. Select the top text, click on the curve drop-down and curve the words to fit into the design, then resize it. Step 11. If you are not happy with the curve, keep manipulating it until it fits within the design. Step 12. Select the second text, click on Curve and set it to fit into the design. Step 13. To fix the letter spacing, select the text, click on Advanced drop-down and select Ungroup to Letters. Step 14. Now select the letters and manually move them closer. Step 15. Once done, select all the letters of the second text from the Layers panel and adjust it. Step 16. Select both the text and click on Offset, set the distance and click Apply. Step 17. To change the offset color, click on the Color Swatch button in the Operations section and choose a color. Step 18. With the offset selected, select the cutaway card layer, click Combine, then Unite. Step 19. Select the Unite layer in the Layers panel, drag it down and put it back into the cutaway card layer. Step 20. Select the other design you're going to use as a layer, click on the Arrange drop-down and select Send to Front. Step 21. Drag it on top of the card design. Step 22. With the second design selected, go to the Layers panel and delete any elements that you do not want to add to the design. Step 23. Resize it to fit into the cutaway card. Step 24. To add more depth, select some layers from the Layers panel, click on the Operation drop-down and select Basic Cut. Step 25. You can also duplicate any element you wish to arrange it on top of the design, click Arrange and select Send Backward. Step 26. Once you're happy with the design, click on Make It. Step 27. Check all the mats and click Continue. Step 28. Select medium cardstock for material. Step 29. Place the material on a cutting mat and smooth it down using a brayer. Step 30. Open clamp B and change the blade. Step 31. Load the cutting mat into the machine by pressing the up and down arrow button. Step 32. Press the blinking C button to start cutting. Step 33. While it's cutting, prepare the other cutting mat. Step 34. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat and peel off the cutting mat from the material. Step 35. Repeat the same steps for the other mats, and while it's cutting, start weeding out the design. Step 36. Repeat the same steps until you've cut out all the designs. Step 37. Once everything is done, fold the card in the score line. Step 38. Assemble the different elements of the card using glue. Step 39. Your 3D cutaway card is ready. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com, or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.